Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think that my projection for this wave Y is very accurate. I think this is an ABC of wave Y forming now, which should go up and take out these highs, probably all the way up to the 161 to the 198 Fibonacci extension of what I believe to be a wave A of Y. So let's take a look at it on the weekly. On the weekly time frame, I think it's very clear that this right here is an uptrend, probably a wave A of wave Y. This right here, I believe, is 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, WXY of wave B, and I think that we're right now in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave Y to form that C pattern, which it should be an ABC of wave Y, probably all the way up to the 161 to 198% Fibonacci projection. So going down to the weekly time frame, I think it's pretty clear this is a 1, this is a 2. I think we're in a wave 3 right now. I think this move down is nothing more than a correction within that wave 3, which I think this wave 3 is going all the way up to the 261 to 223 projection of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2. So let's take a look at it on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last series of higher highs, higher lows, because I do expect that any counter trend moves that we have are going to be nothing more than corrections to the uptrend, just like this last ABC and this one back here. I think this right here is probably also going to turn into an ABC correction. I would assume that it's probably going to bounce off one of these fib levels, make a nice impulsive engulfing move to the outside, and end up continuing the uptrend. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I think this is very clearly a trend, wave A. This is also very clearly 3 waves up in my opinion, wave B. I think this also is a trend. I think we're in a wave C. And if we can identify the end of this trend for the wave C with a break of structure at a Fibonacci level, then that's going to be exactly what I would be looking for my next entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. I like to look left at my Fibonacci levels, see which ones have a lot of resistance. I think the 78% does have a lot of resistance, but so does the 61.8. So I expect the 61.8 or the 78% to be one of the most likely areas for this to end an ABC correction and most likely continue that big wave 3 like I was showing on the higher time frames, probably a wave 1 of the wave C of wave Y. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.